That which you manifest is before you. That is often what I think about when I think about racing. He named me Enzo. My best friend Denny taught me about manifest. I believe that our friendship was based on Enzo. He explained things to me. When we watch videos together, I feel that I am human. Denny and I were a dynamic duo, teammates from life. But sometimes on a racetrack, your car can take on unexpected. Her name was Eve. At first, I resented how she changed our lives. A part of me was taken away in a matter of a few weeks. I felt that the closest thing I had to being human was my Denny. Eve got large and popped out who would be my new best friend. Zoe was born and I was named her protector. I grew into a family rather quickly, until one day my race car began to go out of control.